Turmeric, a golden spice commonly used in Asian cuisine, has gained attention for its potential health benefits. Here are 10 benefits associated with turmeric. 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains compounds called curcuminoids, with curcumin being the most important. Curcumin has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. 2. Strong antioxidant activity. The curcumin in turmeric acts as a potent antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals and protecting cells from oxidative damage. This antioxidant activity is believed to contribute to its anti-aging and disease-fighting properties. 3. Enhanced brain health. Curcumin may help improve cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. It has been studied for its potential in preventing or treating neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 4. Potential cancer prevention. Turmeric's curcumin has been found to exhibit anti-cancer properties by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells. It may help prevent or slow down the development of various types of cancers, including breast, colorectal, lung, and prostate cancer. 5. Improved heart health. Turmeric may have beneficial effects on heart health by improving endothelial function, reducing inflammation, and reducing the risk of heart disease. It may also help lower cholesterol levels and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is associated with heart disease. 6. Potential pain relief. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate pain and discomfort associated with conditions like arthritis and joint inflammation. Some studies suggest that it may be as effective as certain over-the-counter pain medications. 7. Digestive health support. Turmeric can aid in digestion by stimulating the production of bile, promoting better digestion of fats. It may also help reduce symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. 8. Enhanced immune function. Curcumin has immune-boosting properties and may help strengthen the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections and diseases. 9. Skin health benefits. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional skincare remedies. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help improve skin conditions such as acne, eczema, psoriasis, and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. 10. Potential management of chronic conditions. Turmeric may offer relief and support for individuals with chronic conditions like diabetes, asthma, allergies, and autoimmune diseases. It may help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce allergic reactions, and modulate immune responses. While turmeric shows promise in providing these benefits, it's important to note that its effectiveness may vary among individuals. Consultation with a healthcare professional is advised before incorporating turmeric supplements or significant dietary changes.